Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for this low intensity lazy girl workouts. So let's begin by meeting on all fours on the hands and the knees and just finding a little bit of a rock forwards and backwards, just some easy movement to warm up the shoulders, the wrists, the knees. Maybe it feels good to flip the palms under, so that we feel that stretch through the fronts of the wrists. Fingertips will be pointing back towards the knee. And then come back to the palms of the hands and find your cat-cow breath. So inhaling to drop the belly and look forwards. Exhaling to round your spine. Inhale, roll the spine forwards. Exhale to roll under. Just warming up through the spine here, starting to connect with your breath. Maybe taking some circles through the hips if that feels better, or we can stick to those cat-cows, whatever works. If we're finding those circles, taking a few the other way. And then eventually come back to sit on the heels, reaching the hands up to the sky and taking a stretch over to the right. Maybe a few little pulses here, pulsing the fingertips to one side. And then we switch the direction. Big stretch to the left, a few little pulses. And then come back through center, walk those hands forwards. And we're going to drop the left elbow to the floor. Extend the right leg away and find a little rock forwards and back here, warming up the right hamstrings. Coming back to stillness and lifting that leg up. We're going to find a few little toe taps here, just tapping the right toes to the mat and then squeezing the glutes as we lift the leg high. Point the toes away, keep a little bit of tension through that right leg. And every time you lift the toes, see if you can get them just a little bit higher than before. We tap and lift, and tap and lift. Good, maybe this time, instead of taking the leg up and down, we start to make some rainbow shapes with our feet. So kicking the foot to one side of the mat and then up through center, across to the other. Keep squeezing through the right glute muscles here. Keeping the core engaged. Every time we lift, we're lifting the leg high. Kick it up. Just a few more times, we're almost there. And then come back through center. Good, inhale as we pull that knee into the chest. Exhale as we kick the toes up to the sky. It's knee to chest, toes to the sky. Again, keeping that tension through the leg and squeezing those right glutes every time we lift. Starting to feel this everywhere now in the legs, the core, maybe even the arms and the shoulders. Good, let's stretch that leg out and then just bring the heel in towards your bum. So we stretch and in, stretch and in, stretch and in. Good, just a few more. Good, and then take that leg out long, find a few little pulses here, tiny little movements. We pulse. And then drop that knee, come back to center. Take a little child's pose here, extending the arms, relaxing the lower spine. And then walk the hands back, maybe take a few little rolls through the wrist before walking forwards and meeting me back in center. Good, so this time the right elbow comes to the floor as the left leg extends away. Just rocking here, stretching out the hamstrings, finding your center. And then we lift that left leg up. We lower and lift and lower and lift. And we're pointing the toes away. Every time we lift, remember that we are squeezing the glute muscles here to lift that leg. Keep some tension through your leg. Keep lifting it high. Good. Maybe we stick with straight up and downs, or maybe we turn these into some big rainbow shapes. Tapping one side of the mat, toes come up and across to the other. Every time we lift the toes up through center, seeing if you can get just as high each time. Keep breathing here. We're almost here with this one. Good, let's come back through center. Inhale to pull the knee in, exhale as we point the toes to the sky. So knee to the chest, toes to the sky. Good, keep breathing and keep moving. Every time the knee comes in, we squeeze those abdominal muscles. Good, the next time that leg comes up, we just point the toes away and bring the heel into the bum. So we stretch and in, stretch and in, stretch and in. Good, stick with it, we're almost there. Good, last one here, that leg comes out long and we pulse. Tiny little movements, just kicking up towards the sky. And then come back through center, take another little child's pose. Relax your hips, relax your spine. Take a big deep breath. And then let's release. Again, just finding a few little circles through the wrist, if that feels good. Maybe interlinking the fingers and just circling the hands around. Good, and then when you're ready, come on forwards and meet me back on the hands and knees. This time we're going to send the knees back just a little bit, lift the ankles off the mat, and we're going to take a few little mini press-ups here. So we're bending the elbows back, we're taking the chest to the floor, and then we sit it back for a little child's pose. So come forwards, we bend the elbows, bring it up, sit it back. Come forwards, bend the elbows, press it up, set it back. Good, we come forwards, bend the elbow, press it up, set it back. Good, just another couple more. Keeping those elbows hugging in towards your ribs. Bringing the chest just as low towards the floor as feels good. Working the triceps here. Keeping the core engaged. Good, we are almost there with this one. Let's bring it back, take a breath. And then come on up and meet me back in tabletop. This time we're going to walk both legs out, tuck the toes under, find your plank. Wrists are right underneath the shoulders. We're pulling that tummy button back towards our spine, strong through the arms. Maybe looking right in between your hands here, finding your breath. Almost there for 3 and 2 and 1. And then drop the knees. And we'll come to lie on our right side. So go ahead and bring yourself to the floor, the right elbow under the right shoulder, giving yourself a little bit of space in between the mat and your rib cage. And then that left leg is going to step forward, sole of the foot on the floor, left arm reaches up. We're going to use our abdominals here and our obliques to lift the hip and lower. So we lift and we lower. We're pressing into the sole of that foot if we need to, but most of the work here is happening through our core muscles. Every time we lift, we're trying to bring that left hip bone right up to the sky. We might stop at the top and just pulse it out here. Breathe. Keep strong through that right arm. And then bring it back through center. Good, let's switch to the other side. We come to the lie on the left hand side. Shoulder under shoulder over the elbow, sole of the foot on the floor, and we lift the right arm up to the sky. Good, use your core to lift that hip up and lower. So we're just lifting that hip as high as we can to the ceiling, dropping, giving a little tap and lift. Using your obliques here, staying strong through that grounded arm. We want to keep breathing. If we're good, maybe we lift and we hold, maybe even pulse, tiny little pulses up to the sky. Good, and then lower all the way back to the mats. Good, meet me in seated, soles of the feet on the floor, knees bent up. Just taking a little stretch here, rolling the shoulders back, maybe tucking the chin into the chest. Drop the head to the right and to the left. And then come to meet me in center. We're going to find some variation of our boat pose here. So keep the spine long, roll the shoulders back, and let's lift the legs up. Shins are parallel with the ceiling, the core is engaged, and maybe reach the fingers forwards. Keep breathing here. Use your core to keep yourself steady. And we'll tap one foot to the floor and the other foot to the floor. So we tap and we tap. Everything is steady. This movement is so controlled. And we can keep this bend through the knees, or if we want to go a little bit further, maybe we extend that leg as it lowers. Keeping that length through the spine, keeping the shoulders back. We don't want to hunch forwards. And we lower and lift and lower and lift. Good. The core should be burning here. If it is, that is good. That's why we're here. Come back through center, drop the feet to the floor and slowly roll down to your mat, to vertebra by vertebra, all the way down. Let's bring the hands behind our head, keep the elbows wide the entire time. And we're going to just take the feet about hip distance apart, maybe a little bit wider. We're just going to start to lift our head, look forwards, and then lower. So exhaling to lift, inhale, head to the floor. Just these tiny little crunches here. Every time we lift, seeing if we can maybe get the shoulder blades a little bit further away from the mat. Pressing the lower spine into the floor. Core engaged, maybe we hold, keep those elbows wide, gazing down towards the belly button, and then lower back to the mats. Take those feet nice and wide now, lift the hands up and overhead, big breath in to prepare, and exhale, lift up and over to the left. Inhale to center, exhale up and over to the right. So every inhale, we're coming back to that center point. Every time we exhale, we're lifting one way towards that knee and back through center. Good. Every time we lift, we really want to think about engaging through your core, engaging through the side of your waist, and seeing just how high we can get that opposite shoulder blade up off the mat. Inhaling as we lower, exhaling as we lift and hold. Pulse it out here, whichever side you're on. We're breathing, we're pulsing. And then release through center. Big breath in. And then exhale, send it the other way. Stop and hold. Maybe we find a pulse. We pulse it out here. Keep lifting up away from the mat for 3 and 2 and 1. Back through center. Let the arms fall back behind the head. Let the legs come out nice and long. And close your eyes just for a second. Slow down your breath. Calm down your thoughts. Just giving the body this quick moment to stop and to thank yourself for all of that goodness that you've just done. Maybe we hug the knees in towards the chest. Just give yourself a little hug. And then if you're ready to go about the rest of your day, we can slowly work ourselves up into seated. Taking a big deep breath. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.